Are you struggling with questions like this? Let's break it down. Now we have the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 42. Find the numbers. First of all, what's the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means consecutive numbers are those numbers that follows each other, one after the other. Just as we have 1, after 1 we have 2, after 2 we have 3, and so on. So we can call these consecutive numbers. Now we're talking of 3 consecutive even numbers. What are even numbers? Examples of even numbers, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So these are consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers, 3 consecutive even numbers. We don't know these 3 consecutive even numbers, but we can assume. The numbers be, now the first number will be x. We are assuming the first number to be x. Now if the first number is x, then the second number will be x plus 2. Why? Because even numbers, consecutive even numbers, they add up by 2. So if the first number is x, the second number will be x plus 2, and then the third number will be x plus 4. Now these are the 3 consecutive even numbers. So we have x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 42. Because they said the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 42. Simplifying, it gives us plus 4 equals 42. X plus x plus x, that is 3x. Plus 2 plus 4, that's 6, equals 42. Now correct like terms by moving plus 6 to this other side. So we have 3x equals 42 minus 6. 3x equals 42 minus 6 gives us 36. So we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3, and we have that x is 12. Now this is the first consecutive even number. Now what about the other two? Now if x is 12, then x plus 2 equals 12 plus 2, which is 14, and x plus 4 equals 12 plus 4, which is 16. So we can say that therefore the 3 consecutive even numbers are 12, 14, and 16. Now check, we have 12 plus 14 plus 16. And what do we have? 12 plus 14 plus 16 gives us 42. See that these 3 numbers are the 3 consecutive even numbers. I hope this is helpful to you. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Friends show up, we laugh all night. New semester, got the future in sight.